Okay.
The disciples was a great king. When he knew God was with him, and the disciples told him no. And so,
And what did they say?
they said, a king was a big shepherd, and he knew God was with him. And one day, he was walking on steps,
What
praying
happened?
to God, and he was walking on steps, and one of them was Jesus. And one disciple was Jesus, and he was known by a lion.
Oh no. So what did he?
King Saul was a man to a shepherd.
Oh.
And one day, the disciples went up down the steps, and they walked, and they went down, and they started to pray to God. They saw a big man who was fighting them, and they were walking away. They were walking away from the country and to the gates, and then down to heaven, down to